So Microsoft sent me an email and said, hey, we have a flight simulator kit for you. Would you like to receive it? And I could not type yes fast enough. The kit arrived. I have absolutely no idea what's in here. So we're gonna just kind of open it up. This feels like one of those old school unboxings where I actually have absolutely no idea what is in this. Oh God. This is so much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Am I even in the frame? Hello? Do I need to zoom out on this? Oh my God. It's ridiculous. Okay, well, I guess we are zooming out. All right, I guess I just start from the top. I love that they have like little stickers all over the place of different destinations. You should never cut towards yourself. Can you see that? It says flight simulator. How do I even show you what I'm doing? We have a Logitech throttle. You guys, there's a Thrustmaster in here. I don't even know what that is. Oh God, it's so heavy. It's so heavy. Here's the first thing, the flight throttle quadrant. Hey Justine, what'd you do in quarantine? Learn to fly a plane. What did you do? The heck is this? Is this the black box that will record all of my flight data? Has anybody seen Lost? This is the Alpha flight controls. It's the yoke and switch panel. What's in here? Are these flight sunglasses? Oh, they definitely are. We are so excited to have you in the Microsoft Flight Simulator community. The Flight Sim team has worked with our partners Logitech and Honeycomb and Thrustmaster to provide a few peripherals to improve your Microsoft Flight Simulator experience. Please reach out to your local rep with any questions with setup or otherwise. I think I can figure it out. This is incredible. So these are to help block blue light. I've actually been looking into getting a pair of these because the amount of time that I do spend on screens is just absurd. It's really not good. But these are kind of cute. Check this out. These look like my dad's that he used to wear when I was younger. Like I'm definitely getting a real dad flashback here. My dad's gonna watch this and be like, yeah, I had those. There's still something else in this box behind me that is awkwardly stabbing me in the back. All right, this is the Thrustmaster. Thrustmaster has been removed. These glasses are so cool. I'm very much into them. I think the first thing that I will unbox are their directions, or there's literally just any, interesting. The yoke and switch panel is very important when flying a plane. I think I could wear this. If this isn't a definition of quarantine, then I don't know what is. Honeycomb aeronautical flight controls. So this is all extremely professional grade stuff. Like I think that this will make me a pilot. We're already here. We're already up. I gotta land this plane. The yoke should be pre-configured and ready to go. We have several new products in development, starting with, this is so exciting, this is so exciting, this is so exciting. We have instructions. So this looks like it's got a little sticky something so that it doesn't move around when I'm flying my plane. Southwest is gonna be calling and saying, hey, oh my gosh. Ooh. This is seriously, honestly, I can't even tell, this is not what I expected. Oh. Maddie agrees. I have to set up a whole separate desk for this because this does not seem like, this doesn't seem like something that is gonna fit in my current streaming area. This is so much more stuff than I thought. I have to figure out how to put all this together. I definitely opened it the wrong way, I think. I mean, honestly, most planes, I feel like, potentially just fly themselves. So, you know, at least I'll have the basics down. We've got one last thing to open. All right, Thrustmaster. Directions, put you right here. Oh God, have we fallen? I've almost fallen. Come on. Thrustmasters about to thrust me into a new dimension unboxing this thing. I have not fallen. I'm just visualizing myself right now playing this. Okay, guess I'll leave your airspace, you pig. And how terrible I'm gonna be at it. What? I'm gonna start hosting flight school. There we go. Okay, so we did that. Guess I have to figure out the rest of it now. No problem. The flight sim is finally set up. I've done a few little live streams. I also did a live stream where I put the webcam on my head so that you guys could see my point of view. Oh, jeez! Oh my God!
Your speed's picking up again as the nose pitches down. Let's see what happens when you cut all the power. Surprise, surprise.
My engine
altitude is decreasing.
Could I?
This might be a good time for a piloting PSA.
What's that?
Always keep an eye on your surroundings, because nobody likes a low-flying duck.
Is there a duck somewhere? Do a barrel roll?
Let's go ahead and throttle back up. Increasing, and
All
as
right.
long as we maintain
Bye.
the same attitude,
Bye.
our altitude will keep climbing too.
I know, I'm talented. Like,
You're
honestly.
really getting the hang of your controls.
Yes, I am. It was a little awkward. The webcam indented into my forehead and then I had a headache for 2 days. But that's okay, we're back. I've done some tutorials. I feel like I'm still not a good pilot, but I appreciate all of the pilots out there who have been giving me some solid advice. This game is so much fun and it really adds a whole nother dynamic and another level to it when you have an actual setup like this. This is so crazy. So right now I'm gonna go through and we're gonna play. So the problem is I've only done tutorials learning how to fly on a Cessna. And then yesterday when I decided I wanted to do a flight in Pittsburgh, I don't even know what plane it put me in, but it was huge. The instruments were all digital. I was overwhelmed. I'm still learning, but I'm confident one day if there's ever an emergency on board a flight, I'm ready for it. I'm up to the challenge. Okay, so here's the Sydney Air. Oh my God, this is a big boy. This is an Airbus A320neo. I've never flown one of these before. You can't just up and put me in a big boy. Okay, hold on a second. I gotta get my map up. Okay, give me my map. I don't know where the airport is.
Overspeed, 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 overspeed.
It's saying overspeed. I don't know what that means.
Overspeed, overspeed.
Should I start going down? Okay, I see.
Overspeed.
Hold on, I can't even see any of my things. I'm nowhere near. I'm gonna hit these houses. Oh my gosh, I'm not doing well. No, I've never flown one of these big boys before. We gotta go up. We gotta go up. Do we want it?
500.
Shoot! No! I did not do a good job. It's not good. It's not good. But I'll tell you what.
100. 654 there, 25.
Shoot! Oh God! Okay. I'll tell you what. It was not a good landing, but any landing that you can walk away from, that's a good landing. They also said that a fantastic landing would be if you can fly the plane next day. Here's the thing, I didn't know which runway I was supposed to go on. Does it tell me? So this is the rudders. This gives us some turn on the flight. This is the brake. Oh gosh, we're already here. We're already up. I gotta land this plane. It's pretty stressful.
400.
I'm not ready. I'm nowhere near where I need to be. I think I'm too close.
100.
A little too close. I hope this is the right runway. No. Oh God.
50. 40. 30.
Shoot.
20. Retard.
Ah! Oh! I failed again. This game is really fun, but it feels like so much more than a game because it actually is teaching you to fly a plane. I'm gonna just leave it at this. I've been doing some live streams of this. If you guys wanna check it out, check out my Twitch channel, twitch.com/iJustine, and we're gonna play some more of this. Any tips to become a better pilot? I would appreciate those. Leave them in the comments below. Okay, bye.